In this video, I'm going to show you the virtual bilateral stimulation tappers from bilateralstimulation.io. So first, let me unbox. See what we got in the box. Tactile Buzzers. We have a guide here, a user's guide with pictures of Yannick and Benji. I like these guys a lot, the founders of bilateral stimulation. And then what do we get here? We have the tappers, and this is what they look like. So obviously we have two of them. And then we have this thing, which is some kind of a connector. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like and what it does. Let's see what else we have in the box. You have a converter. So I guess they realized that a lot of people don't use regular USB anymore. People are using USB-C. I have, a MacBook, and I don't have a regular USB. And these come out of the box with a USB. So this cable, I'm going to get to it in just a minute and show you what it does. Then we have this large cable or long cable and another long cable. And then we have the carrying bag. A nice carrying bag looking like that. Bilateralstimulation.io. And obviously all the stuff that came in the box can fit into it. What does this do? This, one side of it connects here, and this is where you connect to your computer. This is regular USB. And again, with that package from bilateralstimulation.io, you have a converter, so you can connect it to USB-C. And then on the other side, you have this thing, and this connects to one side connects here. So there's 1 and 2, and I guess there are 2 lengths, and I will ask Yannick and Benji what is the length of each cable. But this connects here to this, and these guys connect directly to the tappers. So here we go. Now we have a whole setup that starts with your computer with regular USB or USB-C. And these are the tappers. Now let me tell you how they work. Okay, so now I am going to show you what it looks like on this therapist side. But just to give you a little context, I'm using 2 computers here. And the computer that these tappers is bilateralstimulation.io virtual tappers are connected to is the client side. What the client sees basically is this blue ball that you see here. That's all the client sees. They don't see all the settings that we see as a therapist. We have a lot of things that we can control. And now I'm going to show you how to set up the tactile. So here on the tactile area, I am going to click on, I already have buzzers and I want to use them. So here we go. We have buzzers, and I can determine the intensity, and it looks like I'm already connected. So when I click on Start BLS, these do not work because I need to pair the buzzers. So here I click on pair your own buzzers. What I see on the other screen is a request to pair the buzzers on the client side. So I'm going to hit pair and choose the buzzers and connect, and that should all be it. And now they're connected. So this is really easy. Right now, all I have to do is click here, and these are vibrating. I'm going to put them close to the mic so you can hear maybe the gentle vibration. So that was super easy to pair them, and they work seamlessly with the bilateralstimulation.io application. It's a virtual app, so you can use it on your phone or on any browser, and it runs pretty smoothly. So these are relatively cheap. I think they're about $130 with shipping included. So if you're looking for reliable virtual bilateral stimulation device that is tactile, that your client can use on their end, then you can head over to bilateralstimulation.io and get yourself a pair, or your client can order them directly.